Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. It's Trucking Lock here. It's Mini Lock Monday, that's right. And today I'm going to do something I've never done before. This is going to be a open or a pick out of the package. I'm just going to, I might pick both of them, but I'll probably just pick one. And I have these little Master Lock 120s. Let's see how this goes. And I'm not going to use a pair of scissors, but what I am going to use, I was told get a knife. I don't have a little knife, so I have to use this bad boy. Alright. Now let's get these little bad boys out of here. Shit flying everywhere. It's the way I do it. Okay, there's one of them. And then the other one's right here. Just got hung up in the packaging. They do work. Man, is this gonna be tough. I'm gonna try to go. Oh man. Let's see if this will work. Top of the keyway tension. This is gonna be rough. I don't even know how I'm gonna hold it. Alright, this is the best I can do. Let's see if I can get this on. Let's see if I can get a pick. Got a little click on 3. Wow. Click on 1. Click on 2, and we got the open. Trucking A. Alright, you know what? I gotta do the other one. This is gonna be hard. I'm trying to hold on to these little buggers. That's the hardest thing. Let's see if I can do this. Alright. Let's see how this goes. Click on 3. Dang it. Click on 3. Click on 2. Or nothing on 2. I'm trying to get 1. Such a mother. Let's see if this is any better. Try bottom of the keyway tension. I don't know if that's going to be any better. Three, 2. I don't know if how many I hit on that. I just cannot freaking hold this thing to tension it. That first one wiped me out. Alright. One last go. We'll see how this goes. Nothing on one. Gotta click on two. What the crap is going on? I gotta get it. I'm determined. This thing is not gonna beat me. Okay, got a good click on two. Cannot hold it. I got it. Trucking A. That little bugger, that is a toughie right here. That's it for Mini Luck Monday. So please remember to like and subscribe. It really helps me out. And until we talk again, happy picking.